How to create NBA 2K account. So if you want to create an NBA 2K account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for NBA 2K account, and here you will have 2K accounts. You can simply click on that, and here to create an account you can scroll down and then you can click here to create one. And now to create, you can choose any one of these accounts to create. So for example, I'll be choosing this Google, or you can also choose your email to sign up, but I'll be choosing my Google account, which is the easier way. Simply choose your Google account and then click on continue. And now here you have to enter your first and last name and then your email address, and again you have to confirm your email address, and then here you have to create a password. So make sure to enter a strong password. It should contain one uppercase character, one lowercase character, and one number or symbol. And then scroll down and here again confirm your password, and then your date of birth and your month and your country or region. And you have to click here on this box so you agree to the terms and services and the privacy policy. And if you would like to receive some news or promotional messages from 2K, then click here. But if you don't want to receive, then unclick it and then click on submit. And here verification email has been sent to the email address which you have just entered. So open up your mail and here you will have the code, right? So here you can click here, which is verify your 2K account. And now you have to enter your display name, and after entering your display name, click on update. And that's it. That's how you create your account on 2K. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.